Here are 3 ways to digitally upgrade your business. You see, in today's fast-moving world, if you do not adapt to the digital revolution, you risk becoming irrelevant. And that counts for small businesses, for startups, and even established enterprises. Digital transformation is no longer optional. It is a competitive necessity. So in this video, I share 3 practical ways that you can use to upgrade your business digitally and to stay ahead of the curve. My name is Pascal Allo and I am a digital transformation expert. I work with individuals and businesses on the continent of Africa to help them be ready for the information age. First, automate repetitive processes. Within your business, identify tasks that are time-consuming and that are essentially repetitive. This could be things like invoicing, tracking your inventory, following up with customers, or even onboarding employees. Now, these are the simplest processes to automate. You can implement very simple automation tools that handle these activities. Let me give you a simple example with accounting. Many accounting software these days will have a mobile phone app that connects to your phone camera. So for a small business that's running expenses, one can easily upload your receipts by taking photos of them. This reduces the effort that's needed to bookkeep on a daily basis and can drastically improve productivity for you or for your team. Second, embrace the cloud. The cloud provides unique benefits for any business. Those benefits, of course, include storage. One is able to store their files in the cloud, but an extension of this is that these files are available to you anywhere. So by utilizing the cloud, you can maximize productivity by allowing different people to access company files from wherever. The cloud offers other benefits such as advanced processing, where you can leverage cloud resources to extend your processing capability. If you're interested in keeping tabs with what Africa is doing in terms of getting ahead digitally, then please subscribe to this channel and switch on notifications so you can stay up to date whenever a new video drops. And third, start collecting data. The AI-enabled world that we are moving into feeds on data. You may not be ready to replace all of your systems with AI yet, but you cannot avoid preparing yourself for the AI age. So one of the most powerful habits that you need to develop in your business to become AI ready is to collect data. The existence of more data will allow AI systems to provide better and more meaningful insights, to train better, and to give you an output that can be used more suitably for your business. And forget AI. This collecting data gives you more insights as to what problems your customers are facing, what challenges there are in the different aspects of your business, and how you can solve them. So hopefully these tips help you get better in terms of digitally upgrading your business. So if you like this and if you like what you're seeing on the channel, please follow me, subscribe to the channel, and switch on notifications to stay up to date whenever we post new content. See you on the next one.